Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Petr Bartek. I'm the application engineer working in HP 3D, and we are here in Budapest in the Industrial Expo Show. And I'm going to show you some of the applications we have over here on the booth. So maybe we can divide it in several categories. So the one over there, it's dedicated to the medical, and I will go through it later on. We have one from automotive and industrial segment as well, and we have a little bit from consumer goods at the end of the presentation. So let's kick off with the medical applications. What we have over here are I believe very nice parts. This one is a cranial helmet from a Czech company which is called Invent Medical. This is actually serving children which were born with a deformity of the skull to actually let's say fix the correct shape of the skull. And it consists of the, let's say, two halves. You can see that the structure in there it's very unique. So it's several layers. The inner one is very flexible to provide a comfort to the patient, while the outer one it's still rigid enough to actually protect the kids against any kind of falls and injuries of they have. All right. So this is the one. It's made from PA12 white material, so this is our white solution, available for on a 5400 printers and families. The second one in row, this is a socket for people who suffered the amputation of the lower limb in this particular case. Of course, depends on the company and depends on the solution, but we can offer a solution for upper limb and also the lower limb amputation. This one is for the lower limb amputation. It combines the outer shell, which is made from the PA, so the rigid, while this part over here on top, this is from a flexible TPU, which was finished with a vapor polishing. So you can see that the look of the part is very shiny and very nice, but still it's very flexible. So it's the function of this, let's say, of this part to improve the comfort for the patient. Third one in a row, this is the Evo, meaning ankle foot orthosis. This is for the kids, also PA12 white, but those kind of devices are available in many different materials. You can see that still rigid enough, but there is like a special kind of a structure at the ankle part to avoid any kind of bruises or disconformity for the kid, but still rigid enough to provide enough support. Last but not least, from the medical, we have some examples over here from the medical devices environment. So this is a comparison of originally made and additive manufacturing made components for the medical devices. So this is the original one. It was partially made from steel, as you see from the bottom. There were some plastic components attached with the screws, and also like a plastic ligand on top. So you can imagine this is like let's say complex assembly, which required a lot of parts to be kept on stock as well as the assembly afterwards. And the company took a little bit different approach, so they joined a lot of these parts into the single one, and this is actually the outcome of the MJF. So you can see there is no metal backplate, so it was all transitioned into the additive manufacturing, into the 3D printing. So no assemblies, reduce the stock of the parts, because now it's actually just an assembly of, let's say, 6 pieces from 24. The function is the same, plus there is a big lightweight or the weight saving. The last application from the medical sector I would like to highlight or show are those surgical guides. So surgical guides are those little devices which are used by the surgeons during the operations. So they are placed inside of your body for some particular time, and after the surgery, it's removed. All right. So we are not talking about the permanent implants, which would remain in your body forever, but this is only the device which helps surgeon to be more accurate during the surgery, and also for you as a patient to recover faster. Less damage to your body, faster recovery, also better precise from the surgeon perspective. So that's it. We have another one over here. same material, same application. This is dedicated for a spine surgery. All right.